Thanks a lot, sir. I now invite on the dais Shri D.K. Srivastav, Executive Director QCFI, to speak about QCFI, its role on this occasion. Sir.
Respected SS Mohanty ji, Dr. Ashok Mittal ji, Sri Y. Katagan ji, Mrs. Vidyaramanan, this Quality Circle Forum of India, a non-profit organization, this was established in 1982. We know for the resources, man, machine, material, method, the important resource is man. And nowadays, when we are talking of profit, sale price minus cost price, sale price is not in our hand. In cost price also, what are the inputs? We know what is in our hand. The only important thing is how we can reduce the wastage, how we can go for total employee involvement, and different type of wastage. If we see, the most important wastage that we are having human potential but not able to utilize, even from the contracted labors. That's why in 1982 we have started this forum with 21 board of directors and registered in the Society Act, and presently we are having 21 directors, then different chapters, and at present we are having 22 chapters, 4 sub-chapters and 2 centers in North, East, South, West. When we have started this forum, at that time we have tried to involve the grassroots people, to develop the grassroots people, and this is the first forum where we have started developing grassroots people by involving them, by solving their own work-related problem under Quality Circle. In 1991, we have started 5S, then TPM and other different concepts. Different chapters are there, and now if you see the scope of operation, all public, private sector, Navani, organizations, even villages, schools, hospitals, in each and every area, we are not only conducting the program but helping them in implementation of different quality concepts so that we can reduce the cost and we can make the workplace better, working atmosphere, and we can change the attitude of the people towards positive way. We are associated with 30 South Asian countries since 1984, and regularly we are organizing international conventions. Last in 2010 we have organized this international convention in Hyderabad, where about 3,000 delegates from different countries they participated. At present we are having more than 5,000 members, individual as well as life members, 3,500 and 1,085 institutional members. Different concepts we are covering in soft scale, 5S, Kaizen, Quality Circle, Lean Quality Circle, Lean Manufacturing and so on. We have publications and the practical books, how they can implement things in a simple way, not in a hi-fi. So different publications we are having. Then bi-monthly QCFI, what a journal is there. Then chapters also sending their e-magazines and magazines. We used to conduct tailor-made program, and basically our objective is to train the people in-house so that they can conduct the program, they can have the main resources. So different type of workshop and training programs we used to conduct. We are conducting program abroad also, Zambia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, etc. Then Now we are developing in the 5S because that is in very high demand. This 5S concept we have developed suiting to our Indian condition, not only for the factories, but for the home, for the society, for the market. And this we are doing since 1992 onward. And now the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan of the Prime Minister is supporting it like anything. Different social responsibilities, we are going to the homes, villages, schools, then townships, then universities, hospitals. Like this way, we are trying to cover, and recently just yesterday, in Bhilai Steel Plant, 13 certification was done, where Y.K. Degan Sahib was the chief guest. Here, 5 certification for the plant, foundry, Mass 1, Mass 2, Mass 3, ETL, already merchant mill, plate mill, other things, they are well certified. And if you see their areas, how the people involved were there, taken out the material, and crores of rupees material, which is just lying over there as hidden, that has come out. And they themselves feel proud that they have done it and saved a lot of space. By the same way, Bhilai chapter, they started education first. We have taken 4 schools, then 13 schools, and remaining 4 schools now we have certified. And 3 years before, those who are certified, after 3 years, they have been recertified. And once we catch them young, the children, then our next generation will certainly have this 5 years in their blood. And that's why in future we can see certainly neat and clean Bharat. About conventions, we are having conventions inside the plant. Selected team goes for chapter convention, from their national convention and then international convention. International convention recently we have conducted in Sri Lanka. Now, after this, for this year, chapter conventions will be conducted from the selected teams from the organizations, and these selected teams from the chapters that go to national. This year, we are going to organize this national convention in SRM University, because about 8,000 to 9,000 delegates, they are going to participate in this. And this year, we are having paid delegates 7,558 and 14 case studies were presented on quality circle, 5S, lean quality circle, Kaizen, TPM, etc. by the grassroots people, by the middle management, by the senior people, those who have done it, and certainly this is motivating them. So this is a unique platform for them. We are giving for the chapters, because so many chapters are there, we are giving different chapters awards, as well as chapter awards for the best private organization, public sector organization, government organizations, education, best quality leadership award. Like this way, we are trying to motivate those who are helping us in this field. And recently we have started for last 3 years conclaves on 5S, TQM, automobiles. Now we have come for this steel, and after this we are going for the textile, cement, power, like this way, so that we can create a platform where soft skill, how they are helping to the organizations, different inputs, manufacturers, suppliers, they can meet together and exchange their views. There are so many, I have mentioned more than 1100 organizations are there. Few of them just we are mentioning over here. Thank you very much.